So you've just pulled off the perfect heist. Up until you ran that stop sign 2 blocks right before you got to your secret hideout and the police followed you. How inconvenient. What now will you do while you wait for the nice officer to bring you your citation? Well, naturally, you need to install the contraband before the nice officer gets wise to your extracurricular activities. This is the Integra Type S ADS module, fabled to soften the over-dampened suspension in the Civic Type R. So the first step is to lower your seat. We're not going to be removing the lower seat cushion because this is the quick and easy way to do this. So all you need to do is lift up on your seat cushion here. You're going to find a 10mm bolt. Step 2 is to get under this cover, and all you need for that is a fingernail, and it's off. There's one 10mm bolt inside of here, so we're going to take that out. Done. So the next step here is to pull down this airbag cover. So slide your seatbelt out of the way, grab at the top, give it a bit of a jerk, and here's the module that we're going to be replacing. Next thing we need to do is unplug. Just push on the tab, right here. Gently pull this loose. And then you've got 2 10mm bolts. One bolt here, and one bolt on top. And that's it. So you simply install in reverse order. And you see, it's just that easy. Oh look, here comes the nice officer now to bring me my citation.
Sir, step out of the vehicle.
Uh-oh.